Hey guys, this is Eddie with yet another video. Two in a day. Well, you guys remember this deck right here? I've been working on it for a long time. Did a lot of work to it. Um, Replaced the belts, replaced the pinch rollers, adjusted the azimuth, and adjusted the deck speeds, the actual playback speed. And it's actually functioning very well. So I haven't actually did a proper review of this. So this is what this video is about. So I've been criticizing this thing. This is an ES line, and of course Sony uses the badge ES to indicate that this is a very high-end equipment, or it's like prosumer, uh, something of that nature. And this is just a dual, like a standard, probably like a standard dual deck that um, honestly isn't anything that special, right? We looked inside, there were plastic flywheels. It uses the infamous TCM-190 transport, which isn't all that great. But they did pack a lot of features in here to make it an ES, I guess. I mean, the components inside, if you guys saw, wasn't anything all that special either. But what sets us apart than your typical dual deck is things like auto calibration, which lets you calibrate to the tape that you're trying to record to. It's also got Dolby S, which is a very late addition, as well as both decks are identical with features, which means they're both auto reverse, they both play, and they both record as well. And because of that, you can actually do a synchronized record with both at the same time. So you can actually make a copy, two copies. So you can just put something into the line in and hit this, it gets ready, and then you can actually start recording. So that's really neat. It can also do high-speed dubbing and normal dubbing, of course. So it's like from deck A to deck B. And of course, it does let you do directional modes. Like basically this is the auto reverse mode. So on the left, it does not actually auto reverse. In the middle, it actually loops it back and forth up to 5 times before it stops. And with replay mode, it plays front side, back side, then it goes to this side, this deck, front side, back side, and then it stops. Unfortunately, I don't see a way for it to just play the front and the back and then stop. I'm wondering if I just place one cassette here in relay mode, that would automatically do it. But for now, I just leave it as single side mode. So I want to demonstrate Dolby S. And for me to do so, I actually have a brand new blank Sony HF, never been recorded, completely blank. So let's take a listen. So first I'm gonna go off and I'm gonna switch to the different Dolby settings. Big difference, huh? And that's just with a blank tape. So if you have pre-recorded music between songs or really quiet parts, Dolby really helps with the mitigating the hiss. I don't know what else I could show you. I guess I can show you the synchronized recording. Or actually, I can probably show you the AutoCal. Here, let me use a use tape. So you guys already see me use this Maxell UR. I'm gonna rewind it all the way through. Because most people, when they start recording, they actually rewind it all the way anyways. So start of the tape. And to start an auto calibration, you just hit whichever deck that you put the tape in, and it's already ready. And to start, you just hit the pause button. It fast forwards it a little bit. It records some test tones and it plays it back. And you're done. That little light that says Cal right there, it means it's done. Let me see if I can lower the, there you go. Hopefully you'll see it a little better. Here we go. It won't focus, huh? All right, so that's pretty much it. But the fact that you can actually, record with both of these decks is kind of really cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It sounds pretty decent. Oh, I guess I can probably do that too. Let me get the, where is my royalty-free cassette? I had it here. Here it is. I have YouTube audio library in here. On side A, I don't actually have Dolby. On side B, it's recorded with Dolby B. So let's listen to that. And this side it works just fine as well. And there you have it. Sounds pretty good, especially after adjusting the azimuth for both forward and backwards on both decks. It actually records pretty well as well. Not as good, of course, as even the JVC 661, but good enough for playing around with Dolby S. It actually sounds pretty good. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoy this video review on the Sony TC-WR701ES. All right, take care. Bye.